Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is my first YouTube video. Okay, the topic of this video is the panic button we all wish we had, but you know, we don't really have. But you know, we all have those moments in life, those very, very important moments in life, where we really needed that panic button. Here's an example. Man, I'm hungry. I'm here. Military rations? What am I supposed to do with this? We'll find them. If you don't want them, I'ma take them. What? Now, if you're not like that and your panic button is a lot like your personality and you're just like an all-around lazy person, your panic button might end up being like this. That is so far. Panic! What? Can you get it? Please? What? But you closer. But you know, also if you're like a person who has a lot of pride and like I'm all type swag and I'm all just all around G, then you know that might not be a good thing, cause then your panic button might be like this.
What's up, midget? What you gonna do? That's why you like 5 feet tall.
Please, you ain't even that tough. See, it ain't gonna be all that if we start going close though, huh? If we start.
Yo, what, you talking about my fam?
I'm saying.
So,
I'm saying.
Panic! Oh, hold up. Y'all talking about my fam?
Yeah.
My fam?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
Y'all talking about, I'm here now. I'm here now.
What?
Y'all wanna jump?
What's up?
Come on, let's
Yo,
go.
you throw them hands.
Button. Okay. Also, one thing too, we all know nothing's free. If you're like a person who doesn't do anything unless you're getting something in return, it might be like, you know, you might not want that panic button, because, you know, it'll be all like, What you gonna walk up on me? What? Cause you got a gun? What you gonna do with that? Panic! What? You gonna run up on my... What you want me to do? She got a gun! You on your own. Call 911. You want me to call the police? You don't pay me enough for that. What? Yeah. $2? I'm gonna take it, but you know, I cost like $50 an hour. You know what? I will enter 911 for you. I thought you said you was gonna call 911. No, I said I would enter 911. I said I would enter 911. You gotta press call. Thank you. That is all of the video space I have now. Basically, that is the end of our video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, do stuff. that'll help me get me and my friends' YouTube channel out there. So basically, see you guys later.